Welcome to EduCafic by Academically. Here in this channel, we keep on discussing about the abroad study options, about the options other than NEET, or if you are a student, अगर आप एक student हो जो NEET के लिए prepare कर रहे हो, basically for the PCB students जिन्होंने physics, chemistry, biology से अपना 10+2 पास किया है, आपके लिए क्या क्या career options है, हम उनकी बात करेंगे. So one of the career options after NEET, I'm sure all of you must have filled the NEET form. आप लोगों ने NEET का form भर दिया होगा, है ना? Because obviously, you know, you would be waiting for the form to come up. But अगर NEET नहीं तो क्या? What if you are not able to qualify NEET? What is the other alternative? Right? AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Well, definitely you want to, you know, clear out your MBBS degree from AIIMS or maybe your BDS degree from AIIMS. AIIMS is the most prestigious college of India, है ना? India के सबसे बड़े शैक्षणिक संस्थानों में AIIMS आता है, right? So one of the most important things which you should know is AIIMS paramedical courses भी कराता है बच्चों. Right? AIIMS not only hosts the medical courses but also paramedical courses और उसका form निकल चुका है. The notification for the paramedical courses for AIIMS is out. So if you're preparing for NEET as a backup, you can keep this notification as well. As you can see on the board, we are going to talk about All India Institute of Medical Sciences examination section. So this admission notice is for BSc Nursing Post Basic, paramedical courses and MSc Nursing and biotechnology courses for session August 2025 at AIIMS New Delhi. All right. So if you want to go to AIIMS, then this is one of the, you know, important things which comes under this section. So AIIMS में सबसे पहले, if you talk about AIIMS, right? AIIMS hosts for medical courses. AIIMS also hosts for paramedical courses. Now in this paramedical courses, what are the things which comes? We'll be talking about this. First of all, I want you all कि आप इस notification को पढ़ो और आप जल्दी से जाके इसका form भर दो, है ना? You should always have a backup in this. आपको हमेशा एक backup लेके चलना है अपने दिमाग में whenever you talk about the examinations or whenever you talk about NEET. PCB में opportunities बहुत कम होते हैं. So as you can see, admission notice for the students, right? So All India Institute of Medical Sciences invites online application followed by generation of code and final registration. So your start date is 8/4/2025. What is your start date for this notification? The start date for this notification is 8/4/2025 and the closing date, everybody, the closing date is 7/5/2025. So this is the most important thing over here. The start date and the closing date, ठीक है? Start date आपका 8 को है, closing date 7/5 को है ना? For BSc Nursing, Post and BSc Paramedical courses. Then generation of code for final registration for these. Start date is 17 and the end date is 15th of May. And final registration and the final payment date or city choice के लिए, this is the starting date. So 17th to 15. So your form fill up can be started from 8. आप form fill up 8 से start कर सकते हो. Closing date is 7/5. Start date is this and closing date is this, right? And if you talk about the postgraduate courses, now this is for the undergraduate courses. If you have done your like for the B.Pharm students, है ना? For the B.Pharm students or those जिन्होंने you know UG already कर रखा है. If you want to do the PG courses from AIIMS, then this is a notification for you. Schedule for the postgraduate courses. Basic registration, PAR for MSc Nursing, Masters in Biotechnology and MSc courses. Start date is 8/4/2025. End date is 7 May 2025. So 8th April is the start date and end date for this as well is 7th May. Alright. Generation of code for final registration for MSc Nursing and Biotechnology and MSc courses. Again, for generation of code and payment, the start date is 17th of April and the closing date is 15th of May. All of you all, very, very important, please visit the website of AIIMS. aimsexams.ac.in regularly, since all subsequent corrigendum, addendum and updates will only be uploaded on the website. So please everybody, AIIMS की website पे जाओ, aimsexam.ac.in पे जाओ and please explore courses की if not NEET, then this could be one of the most important and prestigious institution entry for you, right? So this was me, Dr. Sonal, and please like, share and subscribe this video. Please share it in your WhatsApp groups, in your schools group or your colleges group, so that people are well aware कि हाँ, अगर नीट नहीं तो हमारे पास और भी ऑप्शंस है. एम सिर्फ MBBS BDS से नहीं जा सकते, आप पैरामेडिकल कोर्सेज से भी जा सकते हो. और अगर आपने यूजी कहीं और से किया है तो पीजी आप एम्स से करके डेफिनेटली एक अच्छे लेवल पे अपने करियर में पहुंच सकते हो. राइट, we'll be bringing more videos for you all like these. Please like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, please comment down if you want more career options other than NEET from the PCB students, and we'll be bringing up more for you. Thank you so much, everybody.